All right, so now to the hardest level of mouse input. So it says this program should only shake the creature once the mouse is pressed and only show directions when the mouse is not pressed. So when you click, the creature should shake. When you are not clicking, it should be the directions, okay? And both of them shouldn't be happening at the same time. So your task is to change the code so that the creature only shakes when the mouse is pressed. So let's see what happens now. We have the creature and it's shaking. Doesn't matter if I click the mouse or not. So we can see immediately that the shake, which is creature.rotation random number, that's the thing that we're probably going to want to put in an if block so that it only happens if you click, right? So let's start with that. So if the mouse is pressed, you want the creature to shake. So we need to go to mouse input. And the button we're going to want to use is mouse down. So if the mouse is down, the creature should shake. So let's see what happens now. Cool. And it's shaking. Now we'll notice there's a second step over here, which is only show this text up here when the user is not pressing the mouse. So when I'm pressing it, the text is still there, right? But we want it to disappear when I'm shaking the creature and appear when I'm not. So what you're going to want to do now is you could have used a if else block from the start, but if you use an if block, this plus will turn it into an if else block. And whatever you put in the else will happen whenever the if condition is not true. So whenever I'm not pressing the mouse, this code will run. And so all you want to do now is drag your text into the loop. And the final thing, just so we don't mess it up, is we want to put the draw sprites above the text so that the text happens on top. If we do this, disappears, comes back, disappears, comes back. Because again, if the mouse is down, the creature shakes. But if the mouse is not down, the text is on the screen. But both are not going to be happening at the same time. So that is how you solve level 8.